Last week, and some of them are above 1,000 views.
Wow.
And yeah, I have crossed like 4,000 views now.
So you are going to get monetized.
Not now.
Yeah.
After I get 1,000 subscribers, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Hi guys. Say hi to my channel.
My channel.
Hi, channel.
How you doing?
That's Michael,
Yeah,
our
yeah,
guide
right
for
on.
today.
You can call me Mikey Mike.
Yeah.
Michael, which meat you said? Which
This is the ship you're going in.
Yeah, I'm scared.
What are you scared for?
After
are you
watching
scared
the
for?
Titanic, after watching the Titanic,
Oh, sea road. Wow.
me, I wanna get on board.
Excited. Hey guys, we are going into the ferry cruise.
This is
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. Wow.
I'll hit it.
Hi everybody. Hi. All these are memories.
Yes.
Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
There's a nice small ship there.
What about this?
It's starting.
It's starting.
Do you want to sit here? Okay.
It's starting.
1, 2. This is my first ever experience
On a cruise?
on a cruise. Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Do you want to come here?
No, that's okay. That's okay. Thank you so much.
Do you want to sit here? I don't need to.
Woo!
Come this side. You and mom can sit this side. Yeah,
Come.
this side.
Oh, thank you so much.
We've been on cruises before.
Oh, okay. This is my first ever experience. Hey. Wow, this is like प्यार की कश्ती में.
What's the Australian flag?
प्यार की कश्ती में.
driving after we arrive,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm gonna grab some sand and then just go from water.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna scoop. I'm just gonna scoop up some water with my hand,
Mhm.
and then hopefully catch a small fish. And then I'm gonna get a sharp stick, and then I'm gonna fish with it, and then it's gonna be stuck onto the stick, and then I'm gonna go fishing, and that small fish that I use.
Attention please. We'll be berthing in a few minutes. Could all drivers and vehicle passengers please return to your vehicles and prepare to disembark. Thank you for travelling.
Sit. If you're sitting, sit here. Put on the belt. Okay. Put on the belt.
Ready to go?
Yeah. Ooh.
Eccola.
Good job. Fantastic.
Drinking apple juice.
Oh, really? Wow.
And you're drinking hot coffee.
Coffee, my favorite. All. Halloween chocolates.
I'm definitely not eating these.
Hey, Omar, where are you going?
I'm going down to the beach of Sorrento. I'm going down in the beach of Sorrento.
Wow, Omar. All the best.
What? Yeah, and instead of going down because the beach is down, instead we're going up.
Oh, okay.
This makes no sense.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. I found one! Oh, this is just a nautilus shell.
Oh my goodness.